Noise levels are a consideration for maintaining a comfortable working environment in the lab. Noise level overview. Typical noise levels range generally between 50 to 70 decibels dB. Importance: comparable to normal conversation levels. Quieter models, levels below 50 decibels. Importance: suitable for shared spaces and quiet labs. Loud models, levels over 70 decibels. Importance: may require soundproofing measures. Factors influencing noise: motor quality. High-quality motors produce less noise. Balancer usage. Balanced loads reduce vibration and noise. Maintenance. Regular maintenance keeps noise levels low. Soundproofing options. Sound-absorbing mats or enclosures. Importance: reduces noise impact on the lab environment. User comfort. Consideration: noise levels can affect user comfort and concentration. Importance: important for prolonged use and sensitive tasks. Considering the noise level of a centrifuge is essential for maintaining a comfortable working environment in the lab. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding noise levels, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.